Good morning, student. So in this video we are going to solve question number 5 of practice set 2.1. In the question number 5, we have to find the value of k if x is equals to 3 is a root, right? We have studied about the root of quadratic equation in the last video. So we have to find the value of k if x is equals to 3 is a root of equation this. Clear? So it means we are going to substitute the value of x in this equation. So what you are going to get after substituting the value of x in this equation? You will get k in the bracket 3 square minus 10 into 3 plus 3 equals to 0. Clear? And then you will get 3 square is 9. You get 9k minus 10 into 3 is 30 plus 3 is equals to 0. Clear? Plus minus minus plus minus minus, right? 30 minus 3 is 27 and sign of the bigger number, right? So you will get 9k minus 27 equals to 0. Shift this 27 over here. It will change its sign. You will get 9k is equals to 27. Now this is in the multiplication form, so it will go in the denominator because we have to find the value of k. So therefore k equals to 27 upon 9. So k value is 3. 9 3s are 27. So the value of k is 3. So at the end, this is how you are going to solve the sum like this. The value of k is 3. Value of k is 3. Clear? Okay. Now we are going to start a new topic. Solution of a quadratic equation by the factorization. So our next topic is solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. So by substituting the arbitrary values for the variable and deciding the roots of a quadratic equation is a time consuming process, right? So we are going to use the factorization method. So for example, we are going to see one example what exactly happens in the factorization method. Clear? So let's just take one example here. So this is a quadratic equation. X square plus 8x plus 15 equals to 0, right? This is a quadratic equation. So what exactly happens in the factorization method? You have to split this middle term, right? For splitting this middle term, first what you have to do? You have to multiply the first and the last term. What is the first term? It's a coefficient of the first term is 1. So 1 into 15 is 15 only. Clear? Now you have to divide this, right? 1 into 15, it's 15 only. Now you have to divide this 15 into two terms so that after doing a multiplication you will get 15, and by doing the addition you should get middle term, that is a 8x. You are going to multiply first and the last term, you will get over here 15x square, right? You can write the coefficient of first term is 1. So 1 and 1, you can write like this, x square into 15 is equals to 15x square. Now split this into two terms. So we know 5 3s are 15, 5 plus 3 is 8, 3x, 5x, right? When you are going to multiply this 3x into 5x, you will get 5 3s are 15, x into x, x square. And when you are going to add this 3x plus 5x, you will get 8x. That is a middle term, right? So in the factorization method, first you are going to split the middle term, right? And how you are going to split the middle term? Right, first you have to multiply first and the last term of the equation. After doing multiplication you will get 15x square, and then you have to split this into two terms so that after doing a multiplication you should get your product, and doing addition you should get your middle term. Now we are going to substitute this two value over here at the place of middle term. So you will get in the second step x square plus 3x plus 5x plus 15 equals to 0. Clear? Equals to 0. Clear? Now we are going to divide this into two parts, right? Notice common over here, x is a common. Take out x outside, so you will get x here 3, right? And here what is common? 5 is a common. When you are going to take out the 5 outside, you will get x plus 3, 5. 5 into x is 5x, 5 3s are 15 equals to 0. Now see, x plus 3 is common. So you will get x plus 3 and x plus 5 equals to 0. Clear? So you will get x plus 3 equals to 0 and x plus 5 equals to 0. So therefore your x value is minus 3 and x is equals to minus 5. So root of the quadratic equation is minus 3 and minus 5. Okay? Therefore minus 3 and minus 5 are the roots of quadratic equation. Clear? Understood? Okay. So this is how you are going to solve your second exercise. So we'll see one sum from the exercise. So next exercise is practice set. See the question number 1. Solve the following quadratic equation by the factorization method. So your first equation is x square minus 15x plus 54 equals to 0. Same process, right? We are going to multiply first and the last term. So after doing a multiplication, you will get 54, right? And we are going to divide, we have already studied this factorization method. So we are going to split the 54 into two terms, so that after doing the addition or the subtraction, we should get 15. Okay. So 9 6 are 54. We want minus 15 and plus 54. So we are going to put the minus sign on both the number, right? So this is your 54x square. So minus 9x minus 6x. Minus into minus plus. So you will get plus 54x square. And we are going to do the addition. So you will get minus 15x. So substitute this value. So you will get x square minus 9x minus 6x plus 54 equals to 0. Split this into two terms. What is common over here? X is a common. You will get x minus 9 in the bracket. Again here minus 6 you are going to take out. Always remember one thing, whenever you are taking out the minus, the sign of the bracket will be changed. So you are going to write here x minus 9 equals to 0. Minus plus minus 6 is minus minus plus. 9 6 are 54. Clear? So now my x plus 9, x minus 9, x minus 9 is common. So you will get x minus 9 and x minus 6 equals to 0. So therefore x minus 9 is equals to 0, right? And x minus 6 equals to 0. Clear? So therefore your x value is 9 and x is equals to 6. So 9 and 6 are the roots of given quadratic equation. So this is how you are going to solve the sum of practice set 2.2. I hope you all understood the factorization method. Okay.